Always monitor your surrounding. You can hear what the people is talking to you. Sound quality, because open ear, you're not gonna be giving a lot of bass. I tested multiple products from the Tozo company. The Tozo is one of the affordable and great sounding headphones in the market, right? Today we're gonna take a look at these brand new models. This is open ear design headphones. This is all what we have. Instruction manual here, USB charging, and the Tozo headphones itself. Well, let's unbox and take a look how this Tozo sounds. Right away, case is very small and very comfortable to have, and quality opening close. The latch is very nice and solid, and the headphones itself. We're gonna remove these headphones, all right, and we're gonna insert it back so it will start charging. As you can see, the left white goes right side goes left. We install the right. All right, if you install it, it sits very nice. Open close is good. Percentage wise, it shows here left and right side. Right, it's pulls up right away because they using the Bluetooth 5.4. the latest Bluetooth the module, so it's going to be connected. Now this section is going to be a larger speaker because it sits outside the head, and another big place here can install a lot bigger capacity batteries. That's why these headphones is going to run about 40 hours. So let me see left and right side. So I'm going to put it like this, earrings. Let's see how this one's going to be performing on my super small ears. All right, Bluetooth connection, it was very fast. This one uses the Bluetooth 5.4, so it's going to be a lot more range, a lot stable connection. And I'm gonna play a couple of music, and I'm gonna say, like, even this very affordable Tozo in the highest rate Tozo headphones, this is, I understand why it's the highest rate. It sits very nice and comfortable, right? And also touch button is right here, just, you know, a couple click, it's going to be touch. And let's see how's the sound quality on this one. Also, because they're using the larger driver, you can use the Tozo power bass settings. So now the sound quality is good enough, and it gets loud, and it's loud. It's very hard to get good sound quality if you don't use over ear or inside plug, but this one is not going to be like a best sound quality. The headphones, even I have a Sony's, these kind of Sony's, right, open ear Sony's, they are very expensive, but the sound quality you can get with the close or the big drivers overhead headphones like that. All right, now let's cover the plus and minuses. Being they're very comfortable, of course it's going to be comfortable than my Sony headphones. As you can see, the size wise, the quality size-wise, it's going to be a little bit bigger than Sony, but you can fit in your pocket. So now, being the open air, very hard to get the good quality sound. It's almost impossible. Like some headphones they have, but you have to pay premium prices, right? You will sacrifice a little bit sound quality because the open ear, you're not going to be giving a lot of bass. Even the Tozo, it's used a powerful bass unit compared to the open ear headphones like this. The bass is okay, but it's not the super cleanest, you know, the high resolution audio quality. But it's a lot of pluses comes when you're doing the dog walking outside, when you just jogging, or you cycling, or you at the gym. It's for the sports activities headphones, right? You can always monitor your surrounding. You can hear what the people is talking to you without touching, without the canceling, noise cancellation, or activate the like all other headphones, like the option. You just hear the outside, very good. With the helmet, you can use the straps, helmet straps, you're gonna fit without any issues. A lot of benefit to having this kind of, it's super comfortable. Now I'm just feeling something is touching my ears, but it's nothing pressing, nothing compressing. I can wear these headphones hours and hours. So great product for the price. Again, if you want the high-res audio quality headphones, this is not the headphone for you. But if you're doing any activity, sports, this is the headphone. Definitely get comfortable, nice, loud sounding headphones with the decent bass and with the decent sound quality. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. Also in the next video.